I want to open an email account. For this, type here www.hotmail.com and enter it. Okay, now you can see this appear. Now here you can see option create a free account. Press this. Write whatever you want your username, like I write here class 6 and change it to Hotmail. You add any other thing like best class, write anything. Okay, now enter password here. Again suppose, and I click here show the password class 6 Makkah. Okay, next. Okay, now I want to complete this, so first fill this. What is your first name? Write your name here. So I write here computer and science. Now you can see this side, you can save this or not, this is up to you. I click on save. Now this is save here. Now complete this form. Next option is write your date of birth or any date. For example, select month here, then date, year. Okay, I select the date and month of my joining, like September, and date 2 and 2012, and click on OK. Now so press it. It will take a little time and this will be, next page will be open. After this you can see here create a account, please solve the puzzle. We know you are not a robot, so click on next. After this, okay, if you want, this is say rotate this image. Okay, again rotate, and okay, now this will again take a little time. Now you can see this window is appear. Here you can see inbox, send items, drafts, add favorite. If I click on inbox, you can see this page is open, and here you can see to and add, where you want to send the message. This you write the address. Okay, and if you want to search that, you write that. If you remember email, then write that email. For example, I write an email and okay, and here write subject. For example, I write subject Assalamu alaikum. This side, left hand side, you can see CC and BCC. So CC, if you click here, you can see CC mean carbon copy. You write the same messages to two or three persons at the same time by using CC. Okay, and if you click on BCC, This means your same message sent to many people at the same time. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Means this message sent to several people without letting them know that other have received the same mail or not. Okay, and also you can send emotions here. You can type any text here, emotions here, and pictures here. Select any picture from your, like this one, open it and select any picture. Okay, and you can select any emotions from here. Okay, or you can select GIF from here. You can see this one. Okay, now you can see these emotions which you press, these are all coming here. So you can see here picture is also appear and emotions also coming here. Now if you want to attach a file, you can see this symbol is for attachment. Click here. Okay, now you can see options: browse this computer, or browse cloud locations, or upload and share. I search from the computer. Okay, now go here in the drive where you have any data, for example from like chapter 6. Okay, I attach it. I press here and this will be, this take a little time, and now you can see this is attached here. After this, close these emotions. Okay, now your email is complete. You send a picture and any file. After this, you send the message. You can see here option send, and click here. The message will be sent to the recipient. When you complete all this, you must sign out. For this, you can see here CS and here sign out. Okay, click this and you will sign out from your mail.